Today I am going to cut up these wiring for my garden to get so the chicken won't go in it. So I'm going to make it more like a teepee over the where I have my fruit trees and the plant and the herbs are all in between. Today I'm going to planted cabbage, what else did I can? Tons of stuff, really. I got some peppers down, variety of peppers, sweet peppers, yellow, red, and what is that? Radishes, yeah. So the chicken, yesterday I forgot that I had it. I left them out, but I kind of scared them away. They were scratching over. I'm like, oh. So today I'm gonna make it kind of over, the tree will be here, so I'm gonna put it over here, and my herbs and plants and veggies gonna be down there. So that's just gonna deter them from going in. So I got these lovely cutters. So yeah, I'll do probably about that long. Then I'll meet up together and I'll clamp it together. This sucker works great, but you know, you need some muscle. But even though last night this was crapping so well, so bad. I felt like it was that thing called gout. It was like swollen. I keep massaging it. I massaged this morning. Late. This is what old age feels like, and I'm not liking it at all. Ugh. Jeez, this is hard. Alright. This will connect together this way, so I'll do that this way. This is why I get arthritis. Oh yeah. I need to go to the gym. Okay, so these are all my plants here. Ouch. So I did one side, so this was sticking to the ground. this side will interlock with the other side. Get over here. Actually, this kind of works, so I don't have to interlock it. All right. I would just do this. Then once the vegetable gets stabilized and big, then I will use this as my trellis for my tomatoes and other viney stuff. This works perfectly. That's how it's going to be. My cabbage is in there, so the chicken won't get in. It's rarely that they crawl under and kick. Usually they like to get on top, so at least everything's protected. So I got how many more to go? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to go of this clipping. That sucker's tough, tough, tough. Look how bad Becky is. See all the place? That's why I have to cover everything. They're bad chickens. I mean, you think they could scratch all down there? They got all that space? Oh no. They like to go in where they're not supposed to. So here it is. That should deter the chickens. So now I'm gonna plant a little more stuff. Now I'm gonna put seed down. Stuff's already grown already. I got kale, purple cabbage, and Swiss chard over there, and over there I got some radishes. But so now I'm gonna plant more stuff, some tomatoes and hot pepper and sweet peppers for them. Trying to now. Crew is coming. Crew is coming while I'm working. So it's working. The gangs are out, but they are not allowed to disturb my seedling. Oh, I got that one spot. Come on, look at her. Look at Donte Julia trying to get in there. She's so bad. But Becky's the worst. That white girl. Oh, more trash picking today from the bears. This never ends. I wish there was hunting season for bears. I would like to taste some bears. Look how long this yard bean is. The size of my... Pretty long. And this one is the black variety, well, purple. So I got a couple of varieties. I have this one, green, and I have the white meaty one, and then the purple one. Gone for the weekend, came home to this. This is nice. Getting greeted by the black German Shepherd. We call her, well, I call her the black girl. Black girl. And then these eggs. Guess that'll be my breakfast. It's nice to be greeted by someone coming home. Not so lonely when I have someone to greet me. Oh, you're such a good girl. And look at her sidekick right there. The sidekick. Found him humping her one day. And he's like tiny. Okay. Okay. Ah! Girly. About to clean up the place a little bit before I have my little gathering. Bonfire and just good old fun with good friends. Okay, it's ready for entertainment now for all my friends to come enjoy with me. Finally got to put up the lights. I didn't get to do the ring fire pit. Ran out of time because I did a lot of gardening. But the hammocks are all up in every corner. So there's going to be 1 hammock, 2 hammock, and 3. I'm washing that one. And 4 and then 1 swing. So it's gonna be nice, but at least there's the fire right here. Since the fire pit's not done, I'll use this for now. And I love this, my driftwoods. I did have succulent on it, but the chicken was bad. They took out all my succulent, so I made it into a little fire for candles.